Hey everyone, today we'll be going over LeetCode problem 226, Invert Binary Tree. This is another problem off the Blind 75 list, which is a list of problems commonly asked during technical interviews. In this problem, we are given the root of a binary tree, and what we want to do is simply invert the tree and return its root. So we're given an example here. We see we have a tree with a root value of 4, and its two children have been swapped in position. In fact, in the first side, we have that on the left side, we have a child of 2, while after the inversion occurs, the 2 is now the right child of the 4. Similarly, in the first image, we have a 7 as the right child, and after the inversion, we now have the 7 as the left child. Then, when we continue on to these children, we see that the 2 in the first image has a 1 as the left child, whereas in the second portion it has a 1 as the right child. And also, before inversion, it has a 3 as the right child, and after inversion, this 3 becomes its left child. So what we will do in order to solve this problem is use a recursive depth first search, where we will call a function on each node, and then repeat the function on each of its children. And what this function will do will simply swap the children, meaning the left child will become the right child, and the right child will become the left child. So let's apply this recursive depth first search function in our example. We see we have the 4, and we see it has two children, a 2 and a 7. So we apply this function and we swap the position of its children. So the 2 now becomes the right child, and the 7 becomes the left child. So we go and swap these, and of course the children of these nodes remain the same up until now. And then what we do is move on to its children. So we will now look at the 7 and the 2, and we will apply the same to these two children. So when going to the 7, we see it has a 6 on the left side and a 9 on the right, so these two swap. And when we go to the 2, same thing, we swap its two children. Then we go to these leaf nodes and go and swap their children. However, they have no children, so we would be done with our function and we would return. And this is all of our function. This is all we will be doing. As we see, it's linear time complexity because we just traversed all of the nodes once. And we're ready to write our code. So we're ready to write out our function, and what we can do is use this function which is given to us, invert tree, as the function that we will be continuously recursively calling in order to invert the positions of the children of a node. So we will start off by saying that if we have initially a root which is non-existent, null, what we want to do is simply return, because if we have a null tree, we just want to return. Otherwise, what we want to do is swap the position of the children. So what we will do is take a temp variable and store the left child, after which we can make our left child equal to our right child. And then finally, having our temp variable, we can just go and put the temp variable, which stores our left child, into the position of the right child instead. After which, what we want to do is repeat the function on the two children. So we're going to call the same function on the left child and on the right. And when we're done, we just want to return the root of the tree. Let's make sure this runs. And we see it's efficient. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please give it a like and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you on the next one.